Well, good morning, and thanks for staying with us here on My KC Live. I'm Kerrigan Arnold.
And I'm Shane Kinnicky. We're back once again with the Diva of DIY, Leanne Lee. And today, Leanne, we're learning how to make a DIY plant holder, which you've got right over here.
Yes.
I'm so excited for this.
Yeah, because like we're taking all our Christmas stuff down and we're thinking about spring. I know in Kansas City it's like
I was like, I didn't even put the Christmas decorations up, so I'm ready to go.
Oh, mine stay out until my Christmas decorations stay out until February.
Yeah. Oh, you and my mom
here.
are the same.
Yeah. Okay, so here's the thing. We're gonna want to start planting things, and we're not gonna have a plant holder, so we're gonna make one now, so we are ready. All right, so this is super inexpensive to make. We can make 2 plant stands from 1 2x2x8. This is a furring strip, which is usually not seen by the public eye. It's usually behind a wall, but we're gonna use it to make a cool thing.
Okay.
All right, what I did was I cut some straight boards, and then I cut some boards that have a 30-degree angle. We just need 3 and 3.
Okay.
Now, they're kind of rough because they are just building materials, so I'm gonna put, I feel like this would be a good job for Shane.
Oh, yeah, perfect.
I got some sandpaper. All I want you to do is just kind of clean off the edges, right?
This is totally my
that.
This is actually your moment.
Now I'm gonna give you another really important job.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna do a fake stain.
Okay.
So, you know, stain smells, it's cold outside, we want to be doing stuff inside. So look at this, it looks like they're stained, right?
I honestly thought they were.
Yeah.
And they are not.
It's paint, it's brown paint and water.
Let's do this.
All right, so I just want you to...
just brown paint and water?
Yeah, brown house paint and water, and you're just gonna put it on, and then you're gonna use this little cloth right here, and you're gonna wipe it off, okay? That's your job.
So it is like a little stain. Yeah, you're just doing it like that.
Right, and then it doesn't smell, and it dries really fast, right?
Oh, I love this.
Yeah.
This is
all
a
right,
new
and I did
fun
2 of them
thing.
here. So I'm gonna actually put one together here, so that your viewers can see it. So you're gonna have 3 pieces. So I did 6-inch pieces for the center, and I did 8-inch for the height.
Okay.
So we're gonna take our 3 pieces, and look at this. Wait for it. Wait, hold on. I gotta find my shape.
You're like, I must also, wait a second.
Okay, look, see?
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, that is cool.
So, depending on, you can make that smaller, or if you want it to be more narrow, you can make that wider.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so we're gonna put these together. I'm gonna use a little wood glue. Anytime I'm attaching wood to wood, I like to use glue, wood glue. So look at this little,
What is the little...
the little glue thingy.
applier? Yeah.
It's a glue spatula.
Look at you, and see, it puts it on perfect. Not too much, not too little, right?
That's a good amount.
So we're gonna put it on all 3 pieces here.
And you mentioned the 30-degree angle. Are you just eyeballing that, or it really is important that it's exactly 30 degrees when you're doing
Well,
this
I mean, if you want it to be even, all 3 of them would be 30, but you take your miter saw and you just turn it. There's literally a dial that says 30
degrees.
And then you're just cutting.
Cool.
Cut.
Snip, snip,
You know, it's just that easy. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so we've got our glue on here.
We've got our glue.
Now,
I'm still painting because this
a lot of times you need an extra set of hands for this, right? But a lot of times you don't. So one of my little tricks is to put a tiny bit, so I got my wood glue, that's the most important, but put just a couple of little dots of hot glue, and that then can become your extra set of hands, right? While that glue is drying.
Okay.
Because otherwise you're gonna have to clamp it, and I still need to nail it. So let's hope that I did that, okay?
So does the hot glue replace the clamp, the need for a clamp if you're doing that?
Right.
Okay, cool.
So now it's at least holding together.
Yeah.
So now I can take my nail gun, right? We get the, it's okay.
I got the glapsula.
Let it fly, let it fly. And then it's held together. So now I can just put a nail in it.
Nice.
Nice.
Otherwise, like you're holding one side, I'm holding one side, right? And so then we do the same because now we have to put these legs on. So same thing. So what I suggest doing is line up your 3. Now I'm an eyeballer. Are you guys eyeballers?
I have them.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, well, as long as you have them, it's a good
Use
thing.
them.
So, you know, measure wherever you, and I'm just gonna do this for time. We're just gonna go right here.
Okay.
And this is where we're going to attach each one of these. So I'm gonna take, well, no, gotta use the glue.
We gotta use the
glue attacher.
glue spatula, glatula.
Right,
Glapsula.
and then look,
we'll
just a
workshop
little
it.
bead. And this is not, you're still gonna have to attach it, whether it be a screw, and so then you've got your line. This is to make sure that they all line up.
Yeah.
We definitely want our plant stand to be level.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, and you're talking, this is almost like for TV, this version of it. You'd probably take a little bit more time to make sure.
Absolutely.
You're doing this in real life.
Yes. I've got a tape measure here.
Because then they look like this.
Right, exactly.
Which they turn out very, very
and
nice
they
over
can
too.
be, I mean, you can use regular stains, but what I love about this is you can
this
use
is
exterior
great.
paints, right? Exterior paints. They're waterproof already. They don't need to be sealed.
Yeah.
And you can do them in any color. So these could be blue wash, white wash,
I would do
chocolate brown
green.
wash, green wash.
But like an emerald.
And if you don't want it to be a wash, don't put water in it. It can just be, you can just paint them because these aren't amazing boards we're using.
Yeah,
here.
you're not like out if you mess up a little bit.
Right, these aren't stain grade $10 boards. This is a $3 board that you're getting 2 plant stands out of.
Can you find a lot of stuff, because I know like Home Depot and Lowe's and stuff, they'll have like scrap wood too that you don't have
They do. They have the coal cart. I will tell you that it's hard to find. Like I was doing a show later in the weekend, and I needed 40 boards. It took a long time just to find 40 good boards, and that's because they're not made to be seen.
Yes.
They're behind. It doesn't matter when they have sheetrock on, right?
Absolutely.
I'm
So
just still
I don't
going.
know that you'll. I mean, you may find them in the coal cart. The problem is if you want to make 2 of them, you may not have enough.
The exact same
right.
stuff.
And
Yeah,
we're
for
talking
sure.
about a $3 board. If it was a $50 board and you could get 70% off, then it would be worth it.
to
But
go looking.
you know, just kind of scrounge around. And the thing is, you don't have to use those 2x2s. This could be done with 1x2s.
So
This
many
could be-
things.
Yeah,
Customize it
so
to what
many
you need.
things.
Well,
right.
Leanne, thank you so much for being here today and letting us have some fun with this. We named something, we made something.
I mean, right?
We love when you're here. Guys, remember to see more great project ideas. You can check out Leanne's website, divaofdiy.com. You can also find her on social. Just search Diva of DIY.